Good morning. Hello. Morning, everyone. Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, XXX. Good morning, Lena. Good morning, Five Handles. Good morning, Derek. And this Chase. Hi. Research says that pressing the like button increases the chance of a green day. Awesome. I think so too. Hello. Hey. How are you guys doing? Yesterday, did you guys manage to make it back from the losses? You know, the liquidity pool I target, after I get off the stream, price goes straight to the target. As always. When I close the stream, my target hit. All right. So I get a good news. Remember I said I broke up those Tradify account, right? I was planning to do the challenge, the 5-day challenge this week, but I broke up on the first day. And I'm not streaming, so I broke up for nothing. So I bought 5 new Flex account, and I pass it all within these 3 days, because it's for Flex account, Tradify Flex, you need to maintain the 40% consistency rule. That means the minimum trading days is actually 3 days. So I brought them, I brought up on Monday, so I brought them back on Monday. Now it's Wednesday, so I passed it all. I thought we can have the instant activation, because they said they got the instant account activation, but turns out it is not working. I can't trade them today, but I can show you. I can show you the data. Can you see it? So these are the 5 accounts, and yeah, you can see the date is like these 3 days. The last trade I took is this morning. Exactly, I was trading the Asia high. I was targeting the Asia high. Yep. And free chase. So now you understand why I said it's no big deal to blow up accounts, because I can just get it back so quick. If they only ask for 50% consistency rule, I can do it in 2 days. If 40%, then it will be 3 days. It depends which account you chose, because I'm using the select flex. So if you're using instant funding, that will be 20%. And there's another one, right? Growth, something like that. Growth, I think you can pass it in 1 day. But I don't like I think they got daily drawdown or something. I don't like the rules. So yeah, these are the accounts. I can trade today because they don't allow me to instant activate. So it will be tomorrow. I won't trade them. Okay, I won't trade them on my own, because I'm gonna blow up. I need to trade on the stream. Lucid, I get the Lucid account today. So today I will be trading Lucid Funder account. But sometimes I just feel like, why am I gonna trade on the stream, Yeah. So you know, you need like 6,000, right? Last time I think we talked about we need 6,000 to get to the 3,000 payout cap, but like I almost make it in 1 day. So why am I doing the 5-day challenge? I should just achieve the target on my own. Why am I doing the challenge? But yeah, we're gonna trade these 5 accounts. Maybe we blow up. Who knows? Let's see if I'm gonna blow up today. Time to paper trade. No, we don't paper trade. I mean, if you want paper trade, you can do it on your own. I mean, for practice, that's no problem for paper trading. Like you need to practice your strategy and your psychology. So, but it's not gonna be on stream. Where is the giveaway list? What? You come to my stream just for the giveaway? Then no, thank you. You can go out now. Will you copy all accounts? Today I will only trade the Lucid accounts because Tradify didn't get me the instant activation. I can't activate them. So those still evals, past evals, not found an account yet. I probably have to wait for like the US morning time. I think so. Probably they're sleeping, so I can't activate it. Emma, welcome. Good morning, Mr. Trader. Did you guys take this trade? It was like yesterday's short was a easy one, right? We got the London low, Asia low, the outage gap. If you miss the short, you should be getting the long from here to the top, right? You should catch like either of this, the short or the long. Or maybe you can catch both. And you know, the bad news is both the Asia high and Asia low swept before the London session. So the eval I was trading targeting the Asia high, but like I think I TP around here, something like that. Because I don't need that much of profit to pass the eval. Alright, take a look on the vote. Bias for London session, 55% bullish, 30% bearish, and 16% neutral. So, guess you guys still targeting all-time high, right? But you know what? Yesterday, I think over 60% voted bullish, but when it's London session, everyone tell me to short. This is a nice retracement. Good. Okay. The pro is NFA, so we are saying the opposite. We have SMT day now, so you want to see all-time high. Let's see. Yes, we are so bullish today. And I found that we got so many wicks like this one and this one. Like this is simply price action, but also this is a manual intervention. Just like because of course we got these kind of wicks on our normal days, but during these 2 weeks I just feel like the frequency is different than usual. You were so tired yesterday, joined the stream, left a light and fell. That's like great. You've done your best. Living with a like is awesome. Is Apex still valid? Yes, the 90% off promotion still ongoing. You got 6 hours left for it. So right now, it will end in 6 hours. Well, if I can trade Apex, if I can still trade Apex, I'll definitely trade them. I mean, they got 20 accounts. I can't think of any reason not trade them. And they're not even like fucking expensive or what. It's affordable. Yeah, I know. I think there's a lot of people trading live with Apex right now because I think they just move people to live account, to live stage, just after the first or second payout. That's what they do right now. Not so sure, like I didn't study the details. So right now I'm also trading a new platform called Legends. Not quite new actually. I think it's been here for quite a while. I think I saw it last year. I even saw Patrick Williams trading with them and also Lumi. So I tried it. I just passed the evals. I didn't get the payout yet. So I'll let you know if it's great. Because to be honest, I still didn't get payout yet, or I just got funded today. I passed the evals in 3 days because I use the elite plan. They got 40% consistency rule, so it's pretty much the same like Tradify. So I literally passed them with Tradify because I saw that their rules are quite similar. So it's good. I don't have to study a lot of rules again. I just see them as like a second version of Tradify. And they also got a more affordable one. So wow, $30 for 50K. What's that? I think their contract size you use is different because like, for example, 50K you can only use 2 mini. For this one and elite you can use 4. So that's the main difference for their accounts. So if you want to try, my code is Candy. But I didn't get payout yet, okay? If I blow up or if I get my payout, I'll let you know. Not ban Hong Kong. No, you can choose Hong Kong. Just screw the list. It's on the end of the list. Because if you just search the H, you can find it, but if you scroll it to the end, you can find Hong Kong. Also can use TradeAway. Yes, of course. Because there are some other platforms. I think the rules are great. I saw they got daily payouts or something, but they didn't have TradeAway. They only got Tracy, so I'm not gonna try them until they got TradeAway or at least Ninja Trader. Then I will use them. Because I don't think it's necessary to separate those accounts into two trading platforms. I just want to focus on one. Well, tax-related question you need to ask a CPA or a tax advisor, because I don't have any license to provide any tax opinions or advice. Yeah, you use TPT. TPT is awesome, one of the best. Well, if I can still check APEX, I would say APEX is the best. But right now I can't, right? So I would say TPT is the best. I mean, getting payout ASAP is like so important because you can do whatever you want. You can go aggressive after getting your payout, or you can just, maybe you made some mistake, or you just click the wrong button and blow it up. It's okay because you get your payout, right? You cover all the costs for those platform accounts, and you can buy more with the same amount of payout. So if you can get your payout on the next day, which is TPT daily payouts, you're safe. You can do whatever you want. And they didn't have the scaling pen. So for whoever would like to go aggressive, like, that's the best. Why Apex is best? Yeah, because you can have 20 accounts. Like how important for copy trading. I saw someone on Twitter saying you can make millions if you only targeting 20 to 30 points a day. You need to go like 100 or 200 points. I did my million payout with 20 to 30 points because of copy trading. Think about that. If I only get 500 accounts today, I can make it, but I got 20. So that's the difference. And for beginners, if you want them to trade for 100 points, they probably can't even hold a trade, right? You will become nervous, or we suddenly got a wick and stop me out. But if I just aim for 20 to 30 points, it's not that hard. What is your risk management rules for eval accounts? You don't do risk management, you do calculation. There's no such thing as risk management on eval account. You will need to know if you have enough room or buffer for your trade to work out. That's the only thing you need to know. Legends now has TradeAway. Yeah, I'm trading on TradeAway on those Legends accounts. But Apex don't give median payout anymore. Yes, exactly. So you have to try TPT now. Now that's the only way you can get your median payouts. See Lanto? They got over, I think, 2 million or more. Those are on Take Profit Trader. So now TPT is your only source to get your median payout. But you don't have to aim for millions, right? I mean, if you first started, why you just you can probably aim for 500K. It's not bad, right? 500K, great. Or less, 300K. It's still good, right? It's still a very significant amount of money. So Ape has taken traders to lie after 2 payouts. I'm not so sure. I think everyone's is different. Depends on your trading performance. Because I didn't experience it myself. Holding like 100 pawns, you can't sleep. Why are you sleeping when you're holding J? TPT is the best, they never have issues. Yeah, it's true, but like, you know those haters don't think like that, right? After they got cut off as the affiliate, they kind of talk a lot of shit about TPT just because they lose the commission. You can see like what kind of person, what kind of people they are. Ugly. What kind of personality that is. Yeah, TPT has intraday challenge, Jordan. Also Apex, right? Apex got a plan for intraday challenge too. So that's what we need to figure out. So I would say it's just problem solving skills. When you encounter something, some barriers, how am I gonna overcome it? That is, like, problem solving skill is so important in daily lives. It's just like when I learned ICT concept, whoa, they speaking English and like, I'm not good at English at that time, even for now. So I gotta figure something out, right? I gotta figure it out. I gotta learn it or gotta use some tools or whatever. I just gotta figure something out so I can learn ICT concept. So for intraday challenge Jordan, so I love TPT, I love the rules, but they got intraday. So what am I gonna do? So I gotta figure something out. What kind of strategy can help me to trade with the intraday challenge? What kind of risk management did I need for that? So you gotta figure these things out. It's not like, oh my god, they got something very hard, so let's skip it. Let's try another one. Man, then you can never become a trader because trader is hard. Traders, when you become a successful trader, there's so many barriers, obstacles in between. So what? When you encounter those problems, no, I can't do it. I should just go for the easy way. Let's do a full-time job. Not that case, right? So for those who tell you, for beginners, you shouldn't use intraday charting. No, it's not the case. You should figure it out how to trade with intraday charting. Not just stop doing that. How much commission TPT give? If you get to the highest level, you can get 25%. But I think everyone knows that. It's not something like secret or what. Everyone knows that. Intraday is not a big issue if your size isn't crazy. Yes, it depends on what kind of trading approach you like. You can do scalping, and you can also use a faster trading skills. Like me, I'm trading it. I get my TP before the retracement, so the intraday won't bother me. And you can also use scalping, right? So you aim for like a little profit every time. So the retracement not even start, you already get your position out. Do you only trade London session? No. Sometimes I trade New York AM. Depends on my schedule. And if I'm like tired or what. Apex has not called you back to trade live. No. I told you I'm not, someone that performs like, right? I told you. They got better affiliates than me. Because last week we do the Lucid giveaway, so I was thinking maybe we can do some Tradify giveaway this week. So I contacted the affiliate manager, and they didn't even reply me. It's not like, even if I want to pay my own money to buy those accounts for giveaway, I can't because no one's replying my emails. It's been, I think, 2 weeks. See? I told you I didn't make much on affiliate commission. You guys don't believe in me. Those are liars. Those haters are liars. If I make a lot, you think the affiliate manager won't reply my emails? Is that even possible? That means I'm not even making money on those things. Yeah, you can see why the haters were mad, right? But people like these kind of gossips because it's eye-catching. So it can create some view for them. How come TPT banned so many affiliate before? I have no idea. But I believe some of them are cheating. Not all of them, definitely not all of them. Some are probably just like business operation reason. But I believe some of them are. If you can trade with them, you are definitely cheating on them. But if it's just affiliate, I think probably just they changed their business plan or something like that. Read on X, some people got payout issues with TPT. I don't see that. If there's a lot of people getting payout issues, that may be a huge problem. But if you see one or two, come on. We all know what happened before. Like, we all know they're not gonna tell you the truth. They're not gonna tell you the truth. I treated the poor firm. They're not telling you that. I group trading with other people. I'm hedging. They're not telling you that. Right? They're probably using their family's members' passport or ID card to get more accounts because of the copy trading. They want more copy trading, right? There's so many people out there cheating on poor firms. You can't imagine how many of them, right? And people are hedging with other traders. So, and you can know that because you can check the IP address because, for example, if someone is in Hong Kong and the other one is in Taiwan, and they group trading, but the IP address is so different, you won't relate them they are hedging. But the fact is they are hedging. So many people are doing these things. So they get banned. They can't get their payout. And then they will say, oh, the poor firm sucks. This poor firm has some problem. That's why I can't trade with them. I can't get my payout. I got banned. Just tell them to trade live. Trade on the live stream if they got such a problem. And prove them they are not cheating. Can they? Doubt that. TPT is changing your pro account to pro plus lately. Congratulations! Oh wow! Awesome. So you are in the safe stage now because it's end of day drawdown and 90% profit split. So you can earn a lot more than using the pro account. If you buy a TPT account from someone the people got 25% off, they can only get 25% when they reach the level. So at first they are 10%. And not many people can get to 25%. You know, we are not Patrick Whelan. We're not Patrick Whelan. Most of the time we only get 10 to 15%. But they set the level there, like the maximum you can get 25%. So they're attracting you to sell more, to push the sales. That's why people will think like TPT is the most attractive for those affiliates. All right, let's get in some shade. What do you think? Oh, do you see that? I need to trail the stop loss a little bit. Right now it's under the order block. 17 points. So it's a 1 to 2, right? 1 to 2 point something. Okay. My cook for TPT is Candice. The reason is when I'm first time trading with TPT, I was using Coke Candy, and then I don't know what happened. They closed my accounts, so I need to open a new account. And then they tell me I can't use the original Coke. I need to use the new Coke. So right now I got a different Coke for TPT. How does one achieve that on TPT taken to purpose? We don't know right now, because before that it was 10K a day, and now no one knows what is the real reason behind that. I don't even know that. Oh my god, it's going to my TP. That was too fast. Come on. You want me to close the stream just for 30 minutes? Come on, no. Can we stay longer? I need a news and shade. You know what? The last time I got my W on my first trade, I got the least views for that stream. So I need more L. I need more L to increase my stream, increase the view on my stream. So right now we just sweep the equal high, okay, and the wick is touching the 1 hour FVG, also the 1 minute CB. We can stay until 5. I can. I need to hit the gym today. I got 2 hours left, I think. No 2 hours. Yeah. Oh yeah, take partial, chat. Almost forgot about that. Take partial. You know, always take partial. You know what's gonna happen when you don't take partial, right? If you watch my stream, you know that. What's gonna happen? Yeah, I think I need to trail my stop a little bit. It was too large. So right now it's 10 points. 10 points stop loss. Thank you, Carrie. So I saw your reminder, so I instantly put the money back on there. Oh, come on. Seriously, I'm not gonna... I don't want to get the W on my first trade. Hey, then my YouTube channel won't go, okay? Losing is the only way to grow this channel. I saw all the data, so I know. I'm not even analyzing the chart. We were just talking about TPT, and then I get in a trade, and then you know. Did you learn the new ICT PDLE called what? BOL. I think it's like it's this week or last week. I didn't study it yet, but I know there's something new. I didn't have time to catch up all the stream yet, but like, well, if I close this stream earlier, I will have time to watch all those ICT live stream, you know. Chad, if you get your W here with this trade, you know, whether it's a take partial or a trail stop loss, don't forget to hit the like button. What's the bias in your opinion? What do you think? I'm in a long position. What do you think? What do you think? Bearish. But you can see like here is we got a wick, right? And I don't know. I hope the midpoint of this wick won't get something crazy. How do you hold for those big targets? I don't have big targets. It's 48 points or what? Yeah, I didn't do the maths today. I'm sorry. Because, when I entered the trade, it was kind of all in a sudden. And I'm not doing the 5-day charts right now. It's 48 points. 48 points for the TP right now is 10 points for the stop loss. 1 to 3.8 RR. Awesome. I will see if I can control the stop loss to the break even. No calculator today. No, because my Lucid account, this one of them I already got 4,000 profit, 4,000 and 4,700 profit. So the goal is to get to 6,000. I can do it in like today. So there's no point for divide it to 5 days. No education here. We don't do education here. Because we're bullish and, I was waiting for retracement. Because when we first started the London session is around, I think, here, right? So we need this retracement. And then when it comes here, so then I feel like, yeah, it's going up. And I think it's also the OT entry, right? Did you get your first payout in your 18 funded account in Lucid? No. How come? If you get your first payout on your 80 funded account, that would be so much, that a lot of money. You're gonna spend a lot of money on that. But I know you're a troll. So. But I will answer you no. But goodbye, troll. You got your timeout. So, last stream I already talked about this. If you still don't understand how firms, how this industry works, you fucking stupid. You dumbass. Yeah, you. I'm talking about you. You need to bro accounts. You have to, because you are going to go aggressive, because no one gonna go aggressive with their personal account. For poor firm, you can do it because you spend like a lot less money than your personal capital. For example, 150K account, 250 bucks, you can get one. And you can do 15 contracts on your personal account with 250 bucks, right? Now you can do it with a funded account. So you need to take advantage of the leverage. Go aggressive. When you go aggressive, what's gonna happen? Blow up. But you get your payout. So your payout cover at least, I think, 7 to 8 funded accounts. So you're not losing anything. Once you get your payout, you can buy 7 or 8 more funded accounts. But if you think I should go slow, like take everything slow, I don't need to be hurry everything, then you won't make that much money like I do. Stupid ass. Haters, come on. Do your live stream. Can you? You can. You can't even live trade in front of everyone. You can't do that. And you didn't make millions. So what are you talking about, huh? You come here to talk about this shit to me? You can't even do 5% of my payout. They're helping me to make more content. Thank you. This is the midnight opening price. So it's like the 12 o'clock for Eastern time. Yeah, they're rage baiting. But I will only do the response on my live stream. So you know what? I'm gonna increase my own views, not for you. I'm not gonna tag you on social media like what you did, you stupid. They're increasing my view, they're increasing my reach, increasing my followers. Thank you, appreciate you. You're such a kind person. But I'm not gonna do it to you. Because they don't know how social media works. You missed the rage by post. And you know what? After I replying them, they were gonna talk about me in their own Discord or any other social media thing. So they're gonna keep talking about me again, once again. See? They just can't get rid of me. I'm living rent-free in their heads. Always. No, I'm not gonna ignore it because it's on my own stream, so I can talk about it and they won't take benefit for that. They won't get the reach, they won't get the views because I'm just talking about it on my own stream. And if they want to know what I'm talking about, they have to come to my stream and listen to me. And now I make them angry, so they're gonna keep talking about me. Once again, they can't stop. I know how social media works. Oops. So chat, remember to take password. I'm gonna get this thing off. Okay. Retracement is coming. We got some LRL here. Let's see if we will also strip this liquidity or only retrace to this BC. Divert your vibe focus for the day. No, I'm focusing. Don't you understand? And don't tell me what to do. Who the fuck is this guy? Get the fuck out. We don't do education here, and I answered so many questions for you. Get the fuck out. Because I want to make their rage by works. So I need to be angry. Then they will feel like, oh, my strategy works, and then they will keep talking about it. This is how the whole operation, like, this is social media, this is live streams. And I'm already in a trade, Many of them don't like that a woman is better than they are. You know what? They're crazy. They just not only me, but other female traders. They're talking shit about their appearance. You know, wow, that is shit. You know, when all you can do is being judgmental for other people's appearance. And when they meet that person in person, they're trying to act nice, but behind them, they're just talking shit. Wow, those personalities are awful. Yes, of course they have to make me angry, right? So we can make more content for that. And make more reach. This is what we do here. I don't do these live streams for like payouts or trading profit. I mean, I can trade on my own. Why do I have to go on the stream to trade? What do you think? It's for the exposure. We need ICT to join this live stream. That is impossible. You can see what time is it now? 3 a.m. Eastern time. All the Americans are sleeping. I don't like to hold a trade that long. Like usually if I'm trading on my own, I already close the trade. Because I'm not gonna go in with 2 contracts. So if I'm going in with more contracts, I can make like probably 2,000 even if we are stuck here. Right now it's just a few 100. It looks similar like yesterday. Yesterday we get so close to our TP and then we got a 1 minute CB. And then we stuck a little bit and go back to my entry point. Okay. But you can understand everything here, like price go to here, you know, sweep the Asia high and reach the 1 hour FVG, and then we chase back to the 1 minute CB, consolidate, we chase to the big BC, and also midnight opening price, and also I think OTE, the golden ratio, and then go up again with a huge bullish candle sweeping the equal high, and then start inside this 1 minute CB. With a wick down, we chase to this BC and go up and consolidate again. So that's how you read the market. You will understand why these candlesticks are doing their things, and why we chase, why we go up, and why we consolidate. And what's gonna happen after that? We can probably hit the 50% of the wick and then go down. Or we chase to the midpoint of this BC and then go up. Why you haven't go BE yet? I don't want to. Because the BE, my entry point is like under this BC. So if price we chase, it's reasonable for price to get a wick down and go up. And I can afford to lose, I think 9 points stop loss, I can afford to lose it. So yeah, so I don't need to move my stop loss to be. Oh come on, where are the haters? Get me more haters, please. I only time out 2. I believe there are more haters. Come on, just type something. We're bored here, waiting for price. Give me something fun. Yesterday, Che hit TV. Yeah, I did take the bullish move off the stream. I think they probably don't have, like, I want to see how many lies can they tell, how many stories can they make. Probably writing a fiction, something like that. But I need to keep them hating on me, right? They're pushing me. They're increasing my exposure. I'm so grateful for that, you know. They're making pictures for me. Oh my god. So cute. Haters creating different accounts. Give them time. Okay, give them time to create some new YouTube accounts, alright? You love haters than fans. No, my fans, I can call them fans, right? I'm not so sure if they fans, but like the viewers, like normal viewers, I will provide value for them, for sure. I think call them fans is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Maybe I can call you like subscribers, my subscribers. Isn't it better? Only fans. Or should I create a OnlyFans account for food picture? I saw on Twitter. You guys like food pictures? How come? Fit Finder. No. You already have so many hits in Norwegian. I can see that. I love watching Lumi's stream. So funny. You will subscribe to me even if I start on a free. What is that? We keep consolidating. Let me take a look on ES. See if I got anything on ES. Do we got anything special from ES? I think we got a little SMT. Little bearish SMT with ES, right? ES didn't sweep the high. ES created a equal high with this swing high. And NQ is a high. Don't be shy. No, but what am I gonna do with OnlyFans? Crazy. We have a small bullish SMT. Where is that? Hope you are all green. We're still green at the moment. Probably return to red. So we won't end the stream too early, right? That's what you guys want. Oh, it's time for London Open, right? 2 minutes later, it will be 3 a.m. Eastern time. So we can expect something, some volatility. Let's see if we're gonna stop out or we can get to our TP. Why is the equal high position there rather than higher? Because there is the equal high. What do you mean? Because there is the equal high. Do you even know what is equal high, Andy? What? That's great name. Oh, come on, MMXM. Nick chat. Wow, awesome. Yeah. Okay. You're so funny. How can you be so creative? Oh, that was great name. I should use this on my YouTube channel. Right? I should use Nick Chater. Are you live streaming OnlyFans? Can you do that? I don't know. I mean, I've never used OnlyFans before. How was that? So it's like YouTube. You can do live streams, or what is that? I'm so sure you guys understand how it works, right? You're probably using it every day. I should join the chat. It's kind of weird. I mean, like, I'm not like, yeah, never met her before, so it's kind of weird to suddenly type something in the chat. But it was fun. I watch it almost every day, but probably can't watch it till the end. But like, I watch it every day, every news session. Oh, it's 3 a.m. now. We just got a bearish candle. Let's see if it's gonna become a huge bearish candle or anything. Oh, it's turning to green candle. I hope Trump is still sleeping, right? I don't want some bearish candle or bearish wick and stop me out. Oh, yes, just sweep the high. Oh, come on. So we get a bearish SMT with ES once again. I hate you, ES. What the hell? So ES created a higher high. While we don't get it in NQ, we got a lower high. Again, yes, again. Watch us fall off a cliff now. It's possible, but you guys take the password, right? Then it's safe. I just want the chat to win. I'm okay to lose. Yeah, this one is holding price down. Now we can do a longer stream. Imagine if I get my TP just at here, then we'll be closing the stream just within 30 minutes. Now we at least get 1 hour. Come on, give me more haters. Where are you? Type something. We're bored now. We need some stimulus. Give us something. But we've been stuck in this range for, I think, half hour, right? Yeah, half hour for this range. Within 10 points, I guess. 15 points. This is 1 minute chart. Yeah, we don't got the volatility for London Open. Could you turn the music up? Sounds like a cool track. No. This is the chat name if you want. Can you see it? You put it on at your end. Chat, I'm bored. So what do you guys usually do when you're waiting for Che to close? And when you're in a Che, what are you gonna do with it? Except listening to music? Hey, Street Fighter? Oh, wow. Look at other markets and mark up the charts. Ah, I see. So you guys want to trade on gold? Work on treadmill. Okay. I did plan on like buying a Kingsmith walking pad, but it's too noisy. Like the noise is so loud for that walking pad. So I just feel like it's gonna distract me for whatever things I'm doing. No. No. I'm camera shy, I'm sorry. I'm too shy to do that. I'm actually not shy when I'm in real life, like in person, but I'm quite shy with camera. I don't understand why. I'm just not good at cameras. Or the bot just, I don't know what is it for the Streamlabs bot. But at least you didn't get banned, right? Yes, ES is going higher, so is ICT concept worse in Go too? Yes, of course. I see so many ICT traders trading on Go, and I think other commodities too. Please break even. Chat, you remember to break even? No, I'm not. I'm not trying it to break even. No way. I would rather get stopped out. If I wiggle, the money back market will move, but move up or move down. Man, I don't want it to move down, alright? So last time we tried a rocket is not working. So we need something. We need other things. We're lifting the rate up. Why is it a boy? Why there's not a girl? Come on. I can't find a female one for that. Yeah, still not yet close above it. Still the body is staying inside of this 1 minute CB. No, no, don't go down. Come on. I think we spend 1 hour here for 45 minutes for this range now. I'm so sleepy right now. Today I didn't drink the monster because I'm running out of monster. So yeah, because last time I don't remember who told me the worst thing is drinking energy drinks, right? So I'm trying to stop drinking it. But that makes me so sleepy right now. Drink some green tea. I want to drink something cold. I want, like, yeah. Well, I can make the tea cold though. I don't drink coffee. We're still staying here. I mean, it's not going up and it's not going down. We're just stuck in inside this pretty area. It's worse than barcode. I mean, barcode you still have something, right? Right now it's Oh, we got the bearish candle. Oh, you don't create it. It just make an equal low and then go up. No, that is the worst case. I should drink protein shake after the gym. Okay, coming to my entry point. Finally, after I don't know how long it takes, like 1 hour or something. Finally come back to my entry point. The market didn't like the gym, bro. Or it proves that this guy can lift weight, obviously. If we get stopped out, we can finally get into our revenge trading stage that you all been waiting for so long. We can get into that stage. Too heavy can lift. Oh, come on. We need more people here. Probably should put him here. Because if I put here, probably there's nothing for him to lift, right? Here is like, okay. Let's see if it's work. Okay, it's not working. Really? I think, no, I think it already passed the CE of this BC, isn't it? The wick passed the CE. Do you always trade alone? What do you mean? I don't understand this question. So, no, you guys don't trade alone? So, what? Group trading? So, will you like gather your trading friends in a cafe and then trade together? Will you guys do that? But then you probably can trade platforms because you are sharing the same IP address. Alone? Revenge trading. I need to get stopped out first before we get into the revenge trading. If you could trade in a cafe, you will have to use your own mobile network. But why would you trade in a cafe? I mean, it's just so uncomfortable. Like the table is uncomfortable, the couch is uncomfortable, and it's so noisy there. Usually, I just chill. I watch ICT videos when I chill in cafe. For real. I'm not kidding. For real. I do it on Saturday. So if you ever like walk by and see someone is watching ICT videos, that's probably me. Oh, so after moving this guy under this wick, seems like it's working. Okay. So I was putting him in a wrong position. I have to put it under those wicks, right? Well, I just feel like if you trade in cafe or restaurant, the internet probably is not that good. And we need to use copy trading, so no, I don't want to risk that, the internet thing. No, we're still staying inside this CB. We didn't pass through it. And we had another one with this candlestick. He's doing the weightlifting. But to be honest, if I'm not on stream, there's no way I'm gonna hold this trade for that long. Like it's gonna be like 1500 if I get into my TP. Well, I wouldn't spend 1 hour for 1500. No way. Come on. Come on. Go to my money back. Come on. Don't rechase with the wick, okay? Thank you. Don't just touch this 50%, you're done. It's not about money, it's about mine. Oh yeah, right. But I'm chill. I'm chill here. I'm chill, but I don't want to start into this range, you know. You need Starlink. I can use Starlink in Dubai. I think they don't offer Starlink here. Come on, NQ. Oh, we got bearish SMT once again. Come on, yes. What the hell? Yes. No, I hate you. So on NQ, this wick is higher than this wick, but on yes, we got a lower low. You saw dodges in Dubai? Well, so many traders in Dubai. And even for the area that I'm living, the district I'm living, I know there's a few traders are living close by me. So we need 10 more points to get to TP. Come on. And he was paying with you, yeah. Maybe just give us some haters. Or, you know, trolls, trash talkers, whatever it is. We need some fun. The gym bro is really putting the market on his back. But we did get some LRL with this bullish move. They are taking into account the stream duration. Awesome. Oh, we just touched the 50% of this week. Can't remember the take parcel. And try your stop loss to break even if you want to. You just read in Facebook. Who still use Facebook this time? You boomers? Sorry, I'm just kidding, okay? What? Bunch of people being sent to live after few payouts. You thought Apex can do better? I thought you guys like live, isn't it? So you guys don't want to trade live? You want to stay in the further stage? Because I believe I saw some of the haters said, some of the traders said like they see transfer to live as a glory, as an honor. But now Apex transfer people to live and they hate it. I don't understand. So do you want to be live or not? They said they would do 6 payout and now they're changing the rules. Yes, of course. It's not 6 payouts. I mean, this is like the maximum you can get. Because for me, I only got 3 payouts. So no, it was never 6 payouts for quite a long time, since last year. So if you don't want to get yourself into life, you know what to do, right? You know what to do. You can get yourself blow up before going to life if you don't want to. And you can ask them, if you blow up your live account, can you trade with them again? If the answer is yes, then you can just simply blow up your live account, right? If that's what you want. If you don't want to trade live, it's just that simple. The lies that say you're going live, but they won't ever put you live. But I think you will know that, right? When you're trading, when you created that account on TraderVay or Linear Trader, you can see if you are trading live or not, because the data feed is different. You'll never trust a trader on Facebook, whatever. Same here. I would rather trust someone on Reddit. People saying they got a couple payouts from Apex and then right before another withdrawal, they move them to live. Isn't it good? So I just want to ask one thing. Do you want to get to live or not? Because when you're trading with Lucid, you want to go to live. And when you're trading with Apex, now you're complaining about going to live. So do you want it or not? And if you don't want to go to live, and you ask about that, you can get your accounts after blowing up your live account. That is so easy. Just blow up your live account. Isn't that? It's not something that complicated, isn't it? You get most of your payout and then blow up your account, then you can go back to your fund stage. It's just that simple. Complaining anything is not gonna make things work. You need to use your brain. Okay, now I got this problem. How am I gonna solve it? Complaining is not gonna work. You understand what I mean? It's never gonna work. Figure something out on your own. Problem solving skill. Learn these skills. No, they said if you blow up the fund account, you would go back to, you can start all those accounts again. But you can confirm it with the support first. They give you a black and white answer. But if you don't like it, if you're like, you can't agree with the rules, it's just so simple. Just don't trade with them, right? There's so many platforms out there. But you choose to trade with them, then you have to obey their rules. And you know people not getting 6 payouts. It's been a long time. I didn't get my 6 payouts, right? A lot of people didn't get their 6 payouts. So you can't act like, oh, it's something new, they changed the rules. No, it's been like this last year. I think it's over 1 year. It's been like that. So it's easy. John, don't trade with them. Okay, it's so easy for you. Now I don't like the rules, then don't trade with them. What are you complaining about? It's not like they didn't pay you out, right? You get your money with a limited cost. You spend like $50 for an account. If you get a large size, you probably spend 100 or 200 bucks, and you get your payout. But because they didn't get all the rules to benefit you, now you're upset about it. They're a company, right? They're not doing charity. Of course, they will put their benefit on the first priority, not your benefit. Prop firms and traders, we are not on the same team. You understand that? We are always on the opposite of the prop firms. they want us to lose money and we want to take money from them. So of course they're not helping us, for sure. We can guarantee that all firms don't want us to take payout. We can guarantee that. And you can guarantee all traders want to take payout from the firms. So of course we are not going to benefit each other. So it's just that simple. If you think firms going to help you, you're insane. They're not. They just want to make business. They want to make profit on traders. But we need them. So what can we do? We need to use them, use the leverage to make profit on our own. So we have to collaborate with them. We need to put money on them. And if you hate them so much, just simply don't trade with them. It's just that simple. You will lose it. Yes, it's okay. I'm not saying they're the best, but it's okay. And I get payout, and they respond quite fast. Yes, profitable trader equal to expense of company. Exactly. So we can campaign those companies are taking benefit on traders because we know that. We know that already before we trading with pot firms. Will you move the gym? No, I think just put it there. Take parcel, chat, take parcel. I'm being demanding. And probably gonna cost me stop out. But yeah, whatever. If the live account is really live account, you think it's a win-win? Yeah. I believe those are live account. I mean, you can see that. You can you know if it's live account or not. Even when you enter the trade, that's gonna be different, right? You can feel the spread, everything. You can feel the orders feels are different from trading sim account. We got another retracement with this bearish candle. After touching this 50%. They don't want me to end the stream. Well, I still got, I think, half hour, 30 minutes. I still got 30 minutes. I think I need to get out at 4:30. You have a strong mentality for real. You would move this at least to BE. But that is like on my risk management because I not moving stop loss to break even. That means I accept the risk that this trade can probably turn into a losing trade, and I accept it. Whatever consequences that lead to this move, I take responsibility for my own actions. So I'm not gonna blame the market or blame the chat or blame the strategy or blame the ninja trader or anything. I know I make this decision. So yeah, so I think it helps. So for example, if I move stop loss to break even and price just hit my BE and then go straight to my TP, then it's on me too. So you just have to understand what consequences is waiting for you and you can accept it, then I would say you can do that too. When they introduced the EOD accounts, they said they would not be taken to live accounts. No, you're wrong. Because I've done a summary and a video for their new account, so I know. They said there's a path to live account. So what you're saying is wrong. Oh, we hit TP. Finally. Chat, now is the time to do so. Now is the time to type something. You know what that is, right? You know what? We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting is for 1 hour and 15 minutes, I guess. Yes. Oh, Derek. Chat, did you get your W? Did you all get your W? Rocket, alright. Appreciate you. Okay, Jimbo is doing its thing. This guy. Great work. Good. Okay, I give you. This is the trade sinker. So for this account, yesterday I traded with Replicanto and see what it got me. So only one account closed in profit, and other was they can't copy the exact order. So now I'm back to chasing her again. This one already passed the 6,000 threshold that we need, and these two we need 1,500 more to get to 6,000. Yeah, but we need to trade 5 days. So this is the second days for these lucid accounts. Yeah. But I think I'll probably trade 5 tomorrow. Yes, use Coke Candy and Candice on TPT. You follow my trade and get 3 losses yesterday. How come? Didn't you take parcel? Oh, come on, you can put your losses on me, okay? This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment only, okay? Read the disclaimer on the stream and also on the info box. You shouldn't follow my trades. You shouldn't copy my trades, okay? You should trade on your own. I need to say this. You understand that, right? I need to. So, and remember to take parcel. I put this every time to remind the chat to take parcel, okay? You like the new emoji? Okay, I'll try to put more. But it's kind of naive, isn't it? I saw Twitter, someone is laughing about it. It's quite funny. It's quite cute. I just put it there. Which brokerage you use for real life accounts? Ninja Trader and TraderVay. Thank you for live stream mindset and the knowledge for the platform you bring to us. Oh, come on, we don't do education here. But I do believe you guys can learn or have some value here, find some value here. Right, I hope so. But haters don't want me to do education, so I fuck education. I just live trade. My commentary was very clear. You sure? I hope so. I'm using my broken English. It's for the content. You're right, Derek. Jimbo is the best emoji. Are you gonna trade again after you win? No. I think because it's like it's 3:48 right now, right? So no. If I get my TP at like 2:30 a.m., then yeah, I can look for. But right now it's too late to look for another trade. Just for myself. And we've been stuck here in the range for 1 hour. So I use up all my mental capital with this consolidation. Yes, I'm gonna hit the gym. You're right. You're right. I'm gonna do some weightlifting with this. I'm not gonna lift that high though. I'm just doing that lift. Awesome. Right. So I think that's it for today. Yeah, I'm leaving you. And just one more time, I am trading with Legends. I just passed the evals. It's called Elite. Wait, where is that? I don't know. Here. So I'm using this one. I didn't get payout from them yet because I just passed it, right? So I just want you to know, if you want to try, you can use the Coke Candy. Right now everything's great, and they got a more affordable one, which is 30 bucks for the 50K. You have to use less contract, but the rules are great. I mean, you can pass it in one day. There's no day loss limit, EOD, drawdown, everything. But only 2 contract. But for Elite, you can use 4 contract. But it's like expensive, all right? So just so you know. And tomorrow I'll be trading the Tradify. We see if we can blow up or can we get a payout from Tradify. All right. Yeah, we will be. Tomorrow, did we get any special thing? Do we get like high impact news or? Okay, nothing. Awesome. Then I will see you at 2 a.m. Eastern time here in this YouTube channel. Really appreciate everyone being on the stream, including the hater, because you guys are increasing my view. I'm grateful for any of you because time is the most precious thing. It's so more precious than the money, the commission, or whatever, right? You willing to spend your time with me here on the stream, that means a lot to me. Thank you. Thank you. See you tomorrow.